जय हिंद। फिजिकल एजुकेशन वन लाइनर क्वेश्चन सीरीज में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आइए आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फिजिकल एजुकेशन के वन लाइनर सीरीज के नए पैटर्न से। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, एनसीसी मोटो स्टार्टेड इन विच ईयर? 1980। एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी 1925। द फर्स्ट नेशनल मैराथन 1988 कोलकाता। फिजियोलॉजिकल improvement brought about by psychological mechanism, placebo effect. Mental learning also called cognitive learning. Trial and error learning also known as self learning. Cohesion are team satisfaction and social support. Best method of training emotions is in a sports is sublimation. The cognitive reason of plateau in motor learning, lack of concentration. Team group dynamics refers to composition of group. Emotions is defined as disturbed state of mind. IQ of an average person 120 to 130. Body mind relationship was first promulgated by Plato. Natural motivation is intrinsic motivation. Law of use and disuse also known as law of exercise. Law of effect also known as law of satisfaction. The first intelligence was developed by Vinet and Simon. Concept of mental age was given by Vinet. Which smooth muscle is stimulated by nervous stimulation? Multi-unit smooth muscle. Which element acts on and off switch of a skeletal muscle? Calcium. Polo game is originated from Persia. First athlete to fail a gender test, Eva Klobko. Who is first female Olympic champion? Charlotte Cooper. American who was forced to return gold medal he won at 1972 Olympic, Ricty Bond. Pain in joint called arthralgia. Calcitonin is the hormone of thyroid gland. Which two chemicals are necessary for muscle contraction? Calcium and ATP. ATP का full form adenosine triphosphate. Plasma membrane of a skeletal muscle are called sarcolemma, where myosin bends with actin called cross bridge. Time allotted per shot in golf 45 seconds. In which year new concept of wellness was developed? 1980. Women football in Olympics 1996 Atlanta. First person to complete 100 meter under 10 seconds, Jim Hines. Only Olympic medalist to have won Nobel Prize, Philip Noel Becker. International Sports Day 6 April. Which country won Football World Cup maximum times? Brazil 1958, 1962, 1970, 1994 and 2002. Which disease called Black Death? Plague. Who wrote book Brad Man's Best? Ronald Perry. Hoffman Cup related to tennis. Number of fiber per neuron in slow twitch muscles is 10 to 180. Number of fiber per neuron in fast twitch muscle is 300 to 800. Total weight categories in judo 8. IAAF headquarter established in Monaco 1993. IAAF का न्यू नेम कर दिया गया है वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स. राधा मोहन कप रिलेटेड टू पोलो. YMCA a motto the abundant life. YMCA का फुल फॉर्म यंग मैन क्रिश्चियन एसोसिएशन. Radial deviation is in which plane? Frontal plane. Child facing difficulties to read and understand language is called dyslexia. Which leadership style take full charge of his team? Directive. In which year हनुमान क्लब 2 HBPM 1918 से 1919. NCC was established on the occasion of the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. फर्स्ट फुट फर्स्ट फुटबॉल कंपटीशन मैच 1870 1827. Who started torch relay? Called him. In which year Turnverein movement banned? 1819. Vertebral formula of vertebral column of human beings. C7, TS12, L5, S5, CO4 means cervical 7, thoracic 12, L lumbar 5, sacrum 5, coccyx 4. Total 33 vertebral column in human being. Black part of eye, pupil. Who write book parts of animal? Aristotle. A special Olympic was started by J.F. Kennedy. Which gymnast was first to be awarded a perfect score 10 in a Olympic? Nadia Comaneci. Which city is the first in the world to awarded both summer and winter Olympics? Beijing. Most decorated Olympian of all time? Michael Phelps. Sachin Tendulkar, Viswanathan Anand, Edmund Hillary won Padma Vibhushan in which year? 2008. Sachin Tendulkar awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 1997. Main purpose of Heimlich. Main purpose of Heimlich is remove blockage in the victim's airway. How many holes does a standard golf course? 18. First Indian Olympian to become the flag bearer for India? Parma Banerjee. Strongest ligament of hip joint? Iliofemoral. Paralympics also known as Stoke Medieval Games. Which theory is the extension of Maslow's hierarchies of needs? ERG theory given by Aldous. AIDS virus spreads in body through with the help of T cells. World first cricket club formed? Hambendal 7060. Jesse Owens won 4 gold medal in 1936 Olympic. Breakdown of more osteoblast is called osteoclast. Enzyme digest is secreted in oral cavity. In high altitude, one can jump higher because air resistance is less and body weight is less. Constipation occurs due to less functioning of large intestine. थैंक यू। आज का क्लास हमारा यहीं तक। अब हम मिलेंगे अगले क्लास में। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।